Bit inside of New York courtrooms for high-profile cases, no cameras allowed. So it's a similar situation, a little bit different in that it's pretty standard in New York to not have cameras. But in Indiana, it really was up to the judge as to whether or not cameras would be allowed in. And no readback is strange to me. I've heard judges who say you have to read the whole thing, so you can't just have a portion. Michael, your thoughts on these parameters on what we get to understand about deliberations as they go on?
I have no idea what this judge is doing. I don't know what's motivating her. There's something motivating this judge. I have no idea what it is. I'm not saying it's something nefarious, but it's definitely something a little bit, puzzling. I don't think I've ever seen a high-profile case where the judges have these arbitrary limitations on media and on people knowing. People should know about this case. The media should know about this case. She should not have all these restrictions, especially with the jury, right? Like the no readback. That puzzles me. I have no idea what that is. I don't know. I'm honestly, I'm very puzzled by it. On the prior block, I said that I'm disappointed with the way she's handled this case and with the decisions she made pre-trial, especially the ones related to the limited access or the no access. Now I'm just puzzled even more. Is she creating appealable error by having these restrictions? Maybe, perhaps. But especially a case of this magnitude, I mean, she lives in that community. She runs for office in that community. She's elected by the people in that community. Is it that when she was running for re-election, people in her community said, keep this private? I don't know. But I've been in these meetings where judges run for office and they have their constituents there tell them, hey, this is what we want to see you do. We want you to get criminals off the street. We want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've been sentencing probation to this church, have people come to this church and do cleanup here. We need more people there. I've seen that. Is it that her constituents told her, we need to keep this under wraps and keep it private so people don't cast aspersions on our community? Maybe, perhaps, I'm just guessing at this point, but something is motivating her. She's not being logical in the way that she's making these decisions. So I go back to the motivations of a person, especially when you understand the person is a political person, right? I'm not saying this is all politics, but I am saying that there's something motivating this judge to go down this path, which is why we are all puzzled by her decision. So that's all I can say, Julia. I'm just as puzzled as everybody else.